Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today what I want to show you is how you can make money fast in Growtopia. Okay, how you can get rich in other words. Okay, now we all know that the word logs, which are usually called WLs, and diamond logs, DLs, are the lifeblood of this game. So it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed by the economy when you're starting. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the first tip or the first step, okay, which is to break for gems. So guys, if you have 0 word logs, which you can see by the way in my top part of the screen, as you can see I have 0 right now. Well, actually I have 1, excuse me. You're gonna be looking for BFG words, okay, or worlds. This is basically called BFG or free BFG. And these are gonna be the worlds where the rich players are gonna allow you to break their farmable blocks. So you do not keep the seeds, but you keep 100% of the games that drops, okay, of the gems that actually drops. So it's gonna require 0 investment, and it's the fastest way to get your first batch of gems, okay? So just look for the worlds that are called BFG or free BFG, okay? They're basically like, you know, charity from the other richer players for you. Now, once you have gems, do not buy the world logs directly from the store. It's very inefficient. Instead, what I recommend you do is buying high demand packs and sell them to the players. So save up your gems and buy surgery packs. These are going to be actually 12,000 gems. Okay, and you can sell these packs to the players for word logs. That's going to easily yield 20% to 30% more word logs doing this than if you bought the word logs directly from the game store. Okay, so just sell them to them. Okay, interact with the other players. You can chat with them. Also, you can farm the essentials. Okay, so once you have enough warlocks, you can buy a farm. You can start with a fish tank or pepper trees because they grow quickly. And once your wealth increases, you can upgrade to farming laser grids and chandeliers. So you can sell the excess seeds in bulk. For example, you can sell 200 seeds for 1 warlock in the trade worlds typically. Okay, and finally, you're gonna have your seasonal event investing. Okay, so this is basically gonna be the richest players are going to prepare for seasonal events like Anniversary Week, which is going to be in January, Valentine's Week, which is of course in February, or St. Patrick's Day. So save your resources and farmables for these events. Because for example, during St. Patrick's Day, you can sell lucky clovers or farm for the pot of gold. And this is going to give you a lot of money and a lot of experience. So event items always sell for premium prices on day 1. Okay, so do not wait too long until you sell them because they're gonna be so much less valuable. But yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.